Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can recharge your enchanted gear in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. Suppose you have a piece of enchanted gear just like this here Skyforged Steel War Axe. Every enchantment has a certain amount of charge or a certain amount of uses that you can actually use that enchanted item and the enchantment effect takes place. After you use up all of these uses, you can still use the weapon, however the enchantment won't take effect, and you will have to actually recharge it with soul gems. Now, soul gems are used for enchanting and pretty much everything to do with enchanting. The way you actually get soul gems is, well, either buying them or finding them in the world, and the way you fill them is by actually soul trapping creatures or characters and killing them. Soul Trap is a spell. I think it is a novice level spell. You can buy the tome from Farengar in Whiterun, or you can use the soul trapping enchantment and enchant a sword, for example, or any other weapon. And once you kill people that are affected by the enchantment within an allotted time, you will be able to kill them and stuff their souls in a soul gem. If it's people, you need to use black soul gems. Otherwise, you have 5 ranks of soul gems, with them being petty, lesser, common, greater, and grand. You can Google the soul classifications. I don't know them by heart. It is a very long list. But yeah, you want to get a soul gem and fill it. My personal recommendation is get either the Star of Azura or the Black Star. In my opinion, the Black Star is better since you'll be mostly fighting humanoid enemies throughout the game. But yeah, get the gem, and once you have it, what you want to do is select the item that you want to recharge, and you will have to press the wait button, which on PC is T, and whatever the equivalent is for the consoles, I don't know. But yeah, just click T on that item, select the soul gem you want to use, and your enchantment will be refilled. The bar below the item will denote how much charge you will get. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.